Good morning, student. It's me, Sharma ma'am from St. Xavier Senior Secondary School. Now, today I'm going to teach you class 4 maths, and today's chapter is chapter number 5, division. Before starting today's chapter, if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it, press bell icon, like and share the video. Now we will start today's topic. Good morning, student. Today I'm going to teach you maths, chapter number 5, division. Now, meaning of division. What is the meaning of division? Division means equal sharing or equal grouping. Here I take one example. Suppose 9 smiley balls are shared by 3 boys equally. Okay, you see here the picture of boys. So, how we share these 9 balls equally to these 3 boys? Now, first I gave one ball to each boys. Okay? One ball to each boy. So, 6 ball remaining left. You see here 6 ball remaining left. Again I distribute one ball to each boy. Okay? So, how many balls left? 3 balls left. Again I distribute one ball to each boy. Now you see here that each boy get 3 balls. You see here each boy get how many balls? 3 balls. So if we divide or equally share 9 small ball among 3 boys, each of them get 3 balls. Now you see here. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of division. They equally get 3 balls. Now next point I would like to explain you some important point in division. Now here you see each boy get how many balls? 3 balls. 3 smiley ball. Now next is some term related to division. Number 1 is dividend. What is dividend? The number to be divided is called dividend. Okay. Now second one is divisor. What is divisor? The number by which we divide is called divisor. The number by which we divide any number, it's called divisor. Now third is quotient. The result obtained on division is called quotient. Okay. Now last is remainder. What is remainder? The number which is left undivided is called the remainder. Okay. I explain you this term with the help of one example. Now you see this example. Now I show you one example. With the help of this example, you understand about these term, okay, which we are using in division. Now you see here one number 49 divided by 4. This 49 is called dividend. You know the number to be divided, that is called dividend, mean this number 49. 49 is dividend. Okay. Now you see here 4. 4. What is the role of this 4? This is divisor. The number by which we divide is called divisor. You know here, you see here 49 is divided by 4. So 4 is divisor. Now you see above the dividend 12 written. 12 written now you see here. This 12 is called quotient. Quotient is the result obtained on division. Okay. This is called 12. This is 12. This is quotient. Quotient is the result obtained on division. Now last is remainder. You see here 9 minus 8. See here 9 minus 8. We get 1. This 1 is remainder. Remainder mean the number which is left undivided. You see here 1 is undivided. That's why it is called remainder. Means you see 49 is dividend. Number 4 is divisor. Number 12 is quotient and number 1 is remainder. I hope you all understand about this term. Now next point is checking division. How we check our division is correct or not. So we apply one formula to check our division is correct or not. Okay, now you see here one formula. Formula is divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. You see here. Okay, this is a formula to find out our division is correct or not. Now you see here I take one example. In this example I write divisor is 8, dividend is 114, quotient is 14 and remainder is 2. So how we check our this question is correct or not? Okay, so we apply this formula. Now you see here divisor into quotient plus remainder should be equal to the dividend. Okay, divisor into quotient plus remainder should be equal to this dividend. Understood? If this whole correct, then we sure that our division is correct. Now we put all the number according to its place. Mean in divisor, what is divisor? 8. Quotient is 14 and remainder is 2. Now first what we do? First I need to multiply divisor into quotient. Okay, 14 multiplied by 8. Okay, 8 fours are 32. Okay, 32 and 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 it is 11. So what we get? We get 112. 112 plus remainder. In remainder place what written? What write I? I write here 2. Okay, so 112 plus 2. What we get? We get 114. Now you see here. Okay, and what is the dividend? You see what is the dividend? Dividend is 114. The dividend is 114. So we see that quotient plus quotient into divisor plus remainder given me dividend. Means see the both sides are same. Means 114 plus and our dividend is also 114. It's mean our division is correct. I hope you understand how to check our question. Okay. Student, here I take one question, that is 349 divided by 2. This 349 is dividend and 2 is divisor. First I write here in very proper way 349 divided by 2. So first I take first digit of the dividend, that is 3. How many times does 2 goes into 3? I know 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 4 is greater than 3. So 2 goes into 3 just one time, means 2 ones are 2. After that I subtract this number. 3 minus 2. I got 1. Okay. Now in next step that I need to bring this 4 down. Okay. Now once I bring this 4 down, I get 14. Now how many times does 2 goes into 14? We know 2 sevens are 14. So 7 times. 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 14 minus 14, that is 0. Now in next step, I need to bring this 9 here down. Once I write this 9 here down, now how many times does 2 goes into 9? I know 2 fours are 8 and 2 fives are 10. So 10 is greater than 9. So I will take 8. Okay. 2 4s are 8. Again I subtract. 9 minus 8, I got 1. This one is remainder. Okay. And this 174, it is quotient. I hope you all understand how to divide. Now student, in this is activity number 1. In activity number 1, what we do? We identify the correct formula, okay, which we are applying to check our division. Okay, now I read. Number 1 is, now you see here number 1, it is dividend into quotient plus remainder is equal to divisor. Number 2 is divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Number 3 is dividend plus remainder plus quotient is equal to divisor. Now you tell me what is the correct answer? Very good, student. Number 2. The correct formula is divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, this formula we are applying to check our division. Now we are doing second activity. Hello student, this is activity number 2. In this activity what we do? Okay, I tell you. Identify the terms which we are using in division. Okay, we are using some terms now in division. Yes. So you identify, okay, these terms. Now you see here 119. Now tell me what is this? Very good. It is quotient. Okay. I write in short form. Okay. This is quotient. Now below quotient what written? 239. Tell me student, what is this? Yes, very good. This is dividend. Very good. Okay. Now here 2 written. What is 2? Yes, 2 is divisor. Very good. Now you see here 1 is written. What is 1? Yes. Very good student. 1 is remainder. I hope you all understand all these terms. Okay, divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. These 4 terms we are using in division. Thank you.